In this video, I will share with you top 5 best air fryers for pizza in 2024. Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world, but it's not always the healthiest. Traditional pizza is typically made with a lot of oil and cheese, which can be high in calories and fat. However, with an air fryer, you can make delicious, crispy pizza that is much healthier than the traditional kind. Here's a review of the top 5 best air fryers for pizza. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 air fryer is a great option for pizza lovers. It has a large capacity, so it can fit a 12-inch pizza, and it comes with a pizza crisper tray for extra crusty goodness. The Ninja AF101 air fryer also has a number of other features that make it ideal for cooking pizza, such as a rapid heat circulation system and a digital display that makes it easy to set the cooking time and temperature. Number 2. Cosori Air Fryer. The Cosori air fryer is another great option for pizza lovers. It has a medium capacity, so it can fit a 10-inch pizza. The Cosori air fryer also comes with a variety of accessories, including a pizza crisper tray and a recipe book that includes a recipe for air fryer pizza. The Cosori air fryer is also easy to use and clean, making it a great choice for busy families. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a bit more expensive than the other air fryers on this list, but it's worth the investment if you're looking for a versatile appliance that can do more than just air fry. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer can also be used to bake, toast, and broil food. This makes it a great option for families who want to cook a variety of meals in one appliance. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer also comes with a pizza crisper tray, so you can make delicious crispy pizza at home. Number 4. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is a good budget-friendly option for pizza lovers. It has a medium capacity, so it can fit a 10-inch pizza. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer also comes with a variety of accessories, including a rotisserie basket and a pizza crisper tray. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is also easy to use and clean, making it a great choice for busy families. Number 5. Philips Air Fryer XXL. The Philips Air Fryer XXL is the best air fryer for pizza if you're looking for a large capacity. It can fit a 16-inch pizza, so it's perfect for families or parties. The Philips Air Fryer XXL also comes with a variety of presets, including one for pizza. This makes it easy to cook pizza perfectly every time. Why purchase an air fryer for pizza? There are many benefits to purchasing an air fryer for pizza. First, air fryers cook food using hot air instead of oil, which makes them a healthier way to cook pizza. Second, air fryers cook food quickly and evenly, so you can enjoy your pizza in no time. Third, air fryers produce crispy crusts, so you can enjoy your pizza just like it came from a pizzeria. If you're looking for a convenient, affordable, and healthy way to make pizza, an air fryer is the perfect option for you. Order your air fryer today and start enjoying delicious crispy pizzas at home.